5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flat right into left 3, tightens. Right 3, long. Into left 3, medium. And right 4, long, 30. Right 3 opens, medium. And left 2, keep in, 30. Left 4 into right 5. Caution, left 1, don't cut, into right 2. Into square left. And kings cut, into left 4, short. Into right 3, tightens. And caution, square right, 150. Okay, let's carry on. Left 5 short, into right 5. And caution, hard brake, square left, widens, 50. Brake, square left, small cut. Into flat left and right 5, don't cut. Into right 5, short and left 6, tightens, 80. Caution, left 2 and square left, cut, 30. Caution, hairpin right. And flat right, medium, into left 3, narrows over bump. And left 2. And right 2, tightens, into left 3, medium. Into right 4 and left 2. And caution, square right, small cut. And left 2 into right 2, long. Into left 3 short, 30. Right 2 into left 4, short, 50. Caution, right 2, short, don't cut, 30. Left 3, short, into right 3, medium, tightens. And left 2, keep into right 4. To left 4, tightens. And right 3, long. Into left 4, tightens, medium, 30. Left 5, brake, into right 3, tightens. And left 3, short, into right 2, short. left 2 opens into right 3 narrows. And right 2. Into right 2 and left 2. And right 2 into left 3. Into square right widens 150. Left 4 into right 5 short. And right 5 into left 4 very long. Into right 3 medium and flat left 30. Right 6, 50. Into bumps at junction 30. Left 6, brake into right 4. Into right 2, small cut. And left 4 into right 3. Into flat left and left 3 tightens. And right 3. And flat left into right 4. Caution, brake, square left 100. Left 6 tightens, long 100. Right 5 long. Hey, I don't have notes for this bit. Into left 6 and finish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 150. Right 5 medium, keep in, over bumps, 100. Left 6 over jump, keep left, and bumps, 100. Jump into left 6, keep in, 150. Crest, keep left and right 6 over jump, keep middle, 150. Flat left over jump, keep middle, 200. Right 5 over crest, keep in, 150. Right 6 over crest, very long, 250. Left 6 over jump, keep middle, 150. Flat left over bridge into jump, keep left 150. Bumps and right 6 over crest 200. Right 6 over bump, keep middle 250. Caution, hard brake for acute hairpin right around Bale 200. Left 6 very long 100. Jump, keep left 150. Left 6 over jump, keep left 100. Flat left over jump, keep left 150. Jump, keep middle 150. Caution, hard brake, jump, keep left 150. Caution, left 6 over jump, keep left 100. Jump, keep left into left 6 over crest 150. Jump, keep right 80. Right 6 long over jump, keep middle 80. Wow! Flat left 150. Let's go again. Left 5 over crest, keep in 100. Flat right over jump, keep in 80. Flat left over jump, keep left 100. Caution, right 4 tightens medium, narrows 80. Caution, brake, left 2, small cut 70. You okay? Square left opens, bail in 50. Square right tightens 50. Square right narrows 70. Left 3 big cut opens 150. Jump 50. Bumps 80. Right 5 long over jump, caution, keep in. Crest into left 6 over bump, keep left 50. Brake left 4 over bump, keep in 80. Left 6 over jump, keep left 100. Flat right over jump, keep in 100. Right 6, keep in 100. Jump, keep right for right 6, 80. Crest into flat left, keep left 80. Jump, keep right into bumps 150. Flat right over jump, keep middle 100. Flat right long 100. Jump, keep middle 100. Jump, keep middle into right 6 over crest 200. Left 6, keep in over jump 150. Caution, brake, hairpin right, tighten 150. That knocked the breath out of me. Okay, I'll go and change the wheel. Left 4 over crest, keep in 100. Caution, brake, left 3, keep in and bump. And right 3 medium, keep into caution, left 3, short, tightens 100. Left 2, don't cut, 80. Right 3 long, tightens and left 6, 100. Flat left over jump 100. Caution, brake left 3, short 100. Jump, keep middle, 100. Caution, left 5 over jump, keep in, 80. Ouch! Left 6, short over jump, 100. Big jump, keep middle, 80, and bumps, 80. Nothing broken. Right 6 over jump, keep in, 150. Caution, left 6 over jump, medium, keep in, 100. Right 4, short, 150. Right 5, small cut, 150. Jump, keep middle, 80. Jump, keep middle, 60. Caution, brake, jump, keep middle for left 6 over jump, don't cut, 80. Jump, keep middle, 100. Left 4 cut, keep in, 250. Flat left over crest, keep left into flat right, and bumps, 150. Caution, brake over crest for right 2, keep in, 50. Hairpin left, don't cut, into right 4 long, 200. Careful of the tires. Crest, keep middle, 250. Jump, keep middle, and left 6 over crest, keep left, 150. Left 6 over jump, keep middle, 70. Caution, hard brake for acute hairpin right, big cut, 80. Flat left over bump, cut, 150. Caution, right 6 over jump, keep middle, into right 6 medium, 80. Left 6 over crest and jump. Caution, left 3 off camber over crest, cut, tightens, 50. Right 6 into jump, 80. Still in one piece. Left 4 long, keep in, over jump. And right 6 over jump, keep right into left 6 over crest, cut, 80. Flat right over crest, keep right, and left 4 off camber, keep in, 80. Jump into left 6, 200. Caution, brake for right 5 over crest, keep in, bumpy, 100. Left 6 over crest, into left 6 over crest, keep left. Caution, right 5 tightens 4, long, keep in. And jump, keep left for right 5, keep in. Into left 6 over crest, keep left, 100. Right 5 medium, keep in, over crest and left 6, cut. Caution, brake, left 3, keep in and bumps. Jump, keep middle into right 6. Jump, keep right, 100. Right 6 long, keep in, 200. Bumps, caution, right 4 over jump, keep in, 100. Jump, keep middle into caution, brake, right 2 cut, 150. Middle into flat left over crest. And left 6 over crest, long. Caution, brake, right 3, small cut, into bridge, narrows, 150. You okay? Right 6 over bump, keep right for left 6. And caution, left 4 medium over crest, definitely don't cut, 80. right 6, 120. Bumps into left 6. Into jump, into left 5, keep middle. Flat right, small cut, 80. Jump, keep left and right 5 over crest, keep in, 100. Jump, keep right, 80. Bumps, 60. Right 6 over crest, keep in, 100. Left 5 over crest, cut, 150. Jump, 80. Jump, keep right, 150. Oh! Careful you don't slide off. Left 6 long over jump, keep in, 100. Caution, right 3 cut, 200. Right 4 over crest, keep in, 100. Jump, keep middle, and jump, keep middle. Caution, left 4 over crest, tightens, keep in, 150. Left 5, keep in, don't cut, 50. Bumps, 100. Jump into caution, left 6 through gate, bail in, 80. Bumps, 100. Flat left and right 6 over crest off camber, keep in, 150. Crest, keep left into right 6 over crest and finish. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30, right 3, 50. Right 4 cut into left 4 medium. Into right 4, don't cut, over bump. And jump into left 4, into right 4, over crest, brake. For hairpin left, into flat right. Into left 4, over crest, 30, jump. right 6 over crest, medium, tightens. And crest into left 6, long, tightens, bumpy. And flat right over crest, keep middle, 80. Right 3, long, 50. Left 6, medium, tightens 5, into right 5, bumpy. Into left 6, over crest, long, tightens 3. And left 6, over crest, into flat right. Not there. And left 6 into right 5, short, bumpy. And left 6, short, into right 5, over crest, 30, bumpy. Right 6, tightens 3, long, into crest, keep middle, 300, bumpy. Caution, bumpy, flat left, 200. Caution, hard brake, left 2, opens into right 2, short, don't cut, 30. Left 5, narrows, opens, long. Into flat right, big jump. And hard brake for square right at junction, into flat left. And right 5, bumpy. And left 5, short, into right 3, short, 30. And flat right, very long, tightens, bumpy. And left 5, 50, jump. And right 5, into left 4, narrows, into flat right, bumpy, 50. Into flat left, very long, bumpy, 100. Left 4 and flat right, 100. Caution, hard brake for square left, narrows at junction. And square right, narrows, and left 4. Into right 2, through gate, 200. Right 5, long, through gate, tightens, 50. Hard brake for square left at junction, 50, bumpy. Right 5, keep in, and left 5, short. And right 4, into crest. Into right 4, opens, 30. Right 5, over crest, into left 4. And bumps, 30, left 3. And right 3, into flat left, 300. Tires should be warmed up now. And flat right, into crest, 80. Caution, left 4, tightens, short, into right 5, long, bumpy. Quick, get back on the track. finish. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 100. Caution, brake, left 3, tightens. Into right 4, tightens. And left 3. Into right 3, small cut. And left 3, into right 4, small cut. Into left 4, tightens. Into right 3, don't cut. And caution, hairpin left 30. Left 3, short, into right 1, house in. And flat left, into flat right, narrows 30. Caution, hairpin left 30. Left 4, keep into right 4, short 30. Left 3, into right 4. And right 3, 30. Hard brake, hairpin right at junction. And left 4, cut, into right 5, small cut. And left 6, and right 5, long, tightens. Into left 5. And left 6, into right 5, short. Careful you don't slide off. And left 5, long, tightens, 50. Left 4, 30. Right 4, tightens, over crest, into left 5. Into right 4, long, keep in. Oh no. Into left 4, over crest, keep in, 30. For square right, narrows. And flat left, into right 2, 20. Left 3, into left 3, 30. Right 2, narrows, and left 2, short, small cut. Into right 3, don't cut, medium. Into left 2, small cut. And left 3, narrows, into right 4. Into left 4, tightens, and right 2, don't cut. Into left 3, narrows, 30. Right 3, into left 5, very narrow, tightens. And left 3, medium, into left 2, short. Into right 2, don't cut, into left 3, narrows, 30. Caution, square left, small cut, 30. Left 4, narrows, don't cut, into right 4, small cut, 30. Over crest, flat right, keep middle, 150. Right 4, hard brake, into square right. Flat right, into flat left, 30. Left 4, short, into flat right, 50. Flat left, into right 6. Into over crest, left 4, keep in, 50. Okay, let's carry on. Right 4 opens 50. Caution, right 4 into right 4, medium 30. Right 4, keep into left 5, 60. Over crest, left 4, keep into flat right, 30. Left 5 into right 6 and tunnel, 200. Caution, left 5, medium, tightens, into right 5. Into left 4, medium, tightens, into right 4, tightens. And caution, brake, into left 2, narrows. And right 2, don't cut. And left 2, into right 2. Into left 5 and right 2, brake. Into left 1 and right 3. Into left 3, narrows, and right 3, don't cut. Into left 5, into right 3, keep into. Left 4, into right 4, long, tightens. Feeling a bit shaken. And left 4, narrows, into right 2, keep into. Left 2, medium, into hairpin right, don't cut, 100. Left 4, short, tightens, and left 4, medium, keep in. Into right 5, tightens, into left 3, small cut. Into right 5, don't cut, tightens, 80. Right 5, medium, and finish. That knocked the breath out of me. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Flat left, 100. Flat left, over crest, 200. Keep middle for big jump over crest, 100. Big jump over crest into flat left, 80. Caution at junction into right 3, short. Into flat left, 80. Right 6 and flat left, hard brake. For hairpin left, into flat right. And left 4, short brake for hairpin right. Into left 4, keep in, 30 over crest. Left 4 opens and dip into left 5. 100 into caution, left 1, medium. And right 4, medium, keep in. Into left 4, short, into hairpin right, opens. And left 5, keep into left 4, 30. Hairpin left, into hairpin right. And left 3 short, into right 4 short. Into hairpin left, 40. right 3 tightens. And left 3 short into hairpin right. And flat left into right 4 short, don't cut at junction. Into flat left, bumpy, tightens. Into right 3 over crest. Into flat left, tightens.